Hello and good day, kids. Second video for today. We're going to do a real quick Carson Chip swap on this ScaleXtric Pagani Huayra. Huayra. It's hard to say. How do you say U-A-Y? Huayra. Anyway, here we go. It's pretty simple, other than it can be kind of hard to get the chip unplugged from the old chip. It can be very difficult, actually. I was able to do it already, so all right, you just unplug that from that. Okay, keep your screw, and then there's actually some, these are for extra lights if you need them. I assume then you'd wire them in, but those would go right there if you needed them. All right, and then you can see that it's keyed, and then you just match the key up on your connector and you plug her in. And voila, she's plugged in. Then you, of course, put it back. Take the aforementioned screw that you kept, and put it back into the aforementioned hole. Oh, until you screw it up. See if I can get that on the second try here. It is pretty small. All right, we got it. All right, so there's your sensor for your digital lane changes and such. We'll do a video changing this out. These things are really wobbly. Anyway, let's do a quick run on the track. Let's head on into the track room. Let me adjust this real quick. All right, let me code it in real quick. We'll use this one. All right, I gotta set the speed, the brake, and the fuel. Hey, I just remembered I didn't say something. Metal. Haha. I think that's the first time I've forgotten to say that. Oh well. All right, we should be good. Here we go. Now bear in mind, this is just out of the box with my track speed settings. Very quiet compared to my buddy's Camaro. Whoa! My buddy's got a Camaro and it's really loud. This is not very loud at all. Change lanes, that's good. She runs pretty good. The tail lights leave a bit to be desired. You can barely see them. There should be 3 of them, but the dual headlights look pretty trick. It runs really nice though. It's smooth and speedy. Very nice car. I like it a lot. And I just love the way it looks. The aerodynamics of the car. Of course, the livery is outstanding. So yeah. I wish the lights stayed on with these ScaleXtrics, but that's all good. Anyway, so yeah, it works pretty good. So hooray. That's how you change the Carson chip into your ScaleXtrics for your digital Carrera Track. So there you go. If you like this content, please give me a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate it. We're trying to get this channel going. We're still really green in this digital slot car hobby. All right, Todd from Toju Racing, metal out, race on. Good night, kids.